females. They're so excited. So that's his stuff. Keep them busy, entertainment. You know me, I have bird for breed, not for only pet. I love those birds, but I like to breed them as well. As you guys can see, right? They're in the new cage, and they love it. It's nice and crisp inside them, man. They have fun. They love it.